Welcome to Wecon Systems, everyone. Rob Egerton here, and I'd just like to take this time to walk through our manufacturing process of gravity conveyor, which is an essential tool for seamless material handling. At Wecon, our gravity conveyor is designed to facilitate movement of product effortlessly with no power supplies required. We pride ourselves on using high-quality materials for reliability and durability. We offer many standard widths and lengths of roller conveyor as well as wheel conveyor. Our standards are 1.4 inch diameter for light duty applications, 1.9 inch diameter for standard medium duty applications, and 2.5 inch for heavy duty applications. Our standard wheel conveyor comes with a 1.9 diameter wheel. With a strong commitment to our customer satisfaction, we offer tailored solutions designed to meet the specific needs of our customers across various sectors. For more information, check out our website, www.weconsystems.com, or reach out to our sales team at info@weconsystems.com.